strong with confidence and choice. Walking with pride and purpose, let us welcome Bautista Isaac Luis Pilon. Once again, let us welcome Boraga Kyrie Brian Centeno. Let's give him a round of applause.
Can I try it, baby? You don't have to be shy. Don't be shy. You seem to be on your own, and I'm wondering why. Show me all that you got. Do it for me. Do it for me. 'Cause you're so sexy.
Tonight, we celebrate growth and achievement. With every step telling a story of dedication, here is Kata Prin Rylee, Budding Passion, glowing with success.
She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took things out for her, she said me what I drink. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she tastes. All of your sugar daddy, you'll be the sugar daddy. With every sip I take, you'll take it to the
Kala ko madadapa pa eh.
With a heart full of dreams and a
Si
spirit
Jacob,
that never
kasi
gives up, please welcome Kayabiyab Jacob Marcos Mapu, a true inspiration to their peers.
When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all 'cause she tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she tastes like cola.
From classrooms to this grand moment, their journey has been nothing short of amazing.
Excuse me.
Here comes the Cherno God-favorite Salazar, stepping into a bright future.
She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she can't stop your diet, baby. You don't have to slim down. Slim down. I love your girth and believe me, it is everywhere.
Grace, confidence, and determination define this wonderful young learner. Let us warmly welcome Dorado Simon James Jalmasco to the spotlight. Let's give him a round of applause.
She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me
A shining example of perseverance and positivity. Here is Fajardo Garrett Rylee, walking with pride and joy tonight.
You seem to be on your own, and I'm wondering why. Show me all that you got, do it for me. I love you round, 'cause you're so sexy. She tastes like cola.
With every step, they carry memories and dreams for tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Johnson Luke Brian Lumbao.
It's all because she tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she takes. I'll be your sugar daddy, you'll be my sugar daddy. When I
confidence and charm, here comes Lapidas Jassy Santos, ready to embrace new beginnings.
Tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all 'cause she tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at
Tonight marks a milestone worth celebrating. With elegance and pride, please welcome Meneses Jenard Allison Luna.
Excuse me, can I have your attention please for one more time? She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she can't stop
A
getting
journey filled with laughter, learning, and growth bring us in this moment. Here is Ocampo Jordan Bliss Martinez, Shining Bright.
Stop your dying, come on, do it for me. I love you, love, it's just so sexy. She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola.
With courage in their heart and dreams in their eyes, let us welcome Verdilio Kichiro Aquio Mendoza.
You seem to be on your own and I'm wondering why. Show me all that you got, do it for me. I love you round, 'cause you're so sexy. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She gave me up at night, and it's all because she